Maayong hapon bay. So it's been cold. I'm trying to work right now. Mati maglighting. Let's turn it off. It's scary. Muna siyang, So yeah, it's been very cold now. It's around 2 p.m. So outside bright siya but cold kay siya. Temperatures last night went around naluspad man ko sa ning white balance ani. So temperature last night magsipasiga na ni kaday lang Okay, that's much better. Okay. Ooh, super hayag. Saon man eh. Yes. I give up. Sub. Okay, so temperatures last night niabot siya mga negative 1.5. Feels like negative 1.5, but actually the temperature last night was just like 1 degree. Tomorrow and temperatures is gonna reach around somewhat like to negative 1 degree 0. Naglibog na ako. Negative 1. So, ang temperature ugma is gonna be negative 1. It's gonna be so cold. It's gonna be but the whole day is gonna be low. It's gonna be really low. Let me just try to double check again. So, wait. Trying to figure it out. So, ugma is around... ugma is 1 and 13 today. Tomorrow's negative 1 and 13 degrees. So, it's gonna go up to 13 degrees, which is good. But it's also gonna go around negative 1. It's gonna be, that's gonna suck a bit. But anyway, that's how it is. Talk to you later. I'll try to edit, and I'll see if I'll add some more. Nakainani pa ko kay tugnaw yung siya ba? Tugnaw di nagsapatos gay mga bus gali. Tugnaw. So inana na siya gali. So I'm in the garage because the thing is I try to change places na mag-edit ko, and then hindi ko ganang gamit og aircon in the garage kasi dali ko makahugaw ako sa sahog, pwede ako mag-abog, and ako ray blower. Yeah, I'm near the car. I love my Subaru. There's my Subaru. Anyway, gotta work. Raja, update ko niya bye. And also, just that you know, I'm still backlog with a lot of things sa akong edit ug sa akong mga vlogs, but I'll try to make it up. I look like shit. That's the real me. Wala tay kanang pagguapo or unsa. It's just the real me. Yeah. My good to buy. We're gonna start another video right now, another story, another vlog, I reckon. But yeah, it's kinda kuan karon tugnaw, gloomy, and it's very cold, and I'm nag-worry ko ani. I'm gonna fit the stuff here. I have some stuff that I need to return to Alden. I'm gonna fit it here, and then ako din dalon sila ha. So we'll see how we go. Muna siya start. So muna na ako taod bay. So here it is. Paslak siya no. Sulod siya sa akong car. I just need to strap it properly para di siya maglihok. But other than that should be good. And yeah, we're fine. Now mag-andam ko sa tuwogan. Kailangan ko tuwogan para snow. We're gonna go to the snow tomorrow, and might have something to play with these guys. So magbinata na lang me. We're gonna play with the tuwogan. So just gonna get it. So all my tasks just snowballed in Napakongre, and I'm heading to Alden's place. I'm just gonna get a cat. Because I don't like this. I'm heading to Alden's place, and ako na yung try katod nga dito. I want a cat. Medyo excited ko kumakas ko yung ako mga Bisaya. We'll be heading to Lake Mountain, and we're gonna to the snow, and then naghanap mga pakatok. And yes, I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this camera or I might bring this camera and bash it around there. So muna siya, excited ko to meet Josiah and Bryce tomorrow. Go out, and also wife ni Bryce na ko yun. So yeah, we'll have fun. Because I miss using kaning camera na ko nga kuan A7C2, or I miss using mirrorless for vlogs. So that's why I want to bring this camera here. Nakalimot kong video. Nag-storya ni Alden Green. I just dropped these things to him, and I'm heading to Bunnings right now. Quickly checking Bunnings out. Yeah. So nahuman ako sa meeting kanina, and this is morning room. It looked like this earlier, but the thing is, it's because I have a better lens here. I had another camera. I had a 1.8 aperture. This is not a 1.8, so it's gonna look like this. But anyway, yeah, that's it.